I'm with you.
So if you pull out 3-6, I'll just pull over to your right side, hold the left, and then when you're ready to go, let me know.
Sounds good. And Buffalo Traffic, Scout 525 Treads here is taking 3-6. We'll be 2 planes departing straight out, and then a right turn to the east, Buffalo.
Whenever you're ready, Matt.
All right, let's go.
And land behind you now. I gotta make a quick stop and do up a seatbelt. Yeehaw.
Wow, very nice. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah, it's real nice. So what lake is this one?
This is Wagner Lake. Next one we're going to do here is Steele, and it's really close, so we're just going to bounce up and we'll land kind of into the west on that one, I think. It's pretty calm here, just looking at things.
Okay.
I'll wait for you here, Andy.
Yeah, you can get going now if you want. You're making it IFR for me.
I could tell I got a little more fuel on today for sure.
You're banking left?
Yeah, we're going to go over here then to the east or bank to the right, and then it's just this little lake right here.
Okay, I'm going to swing around to your left side. How about your 6?
Got you, just follow me in. And you'll see my tracks up there in the lake to the left.
Oh, I got it, yep. How fun is this?
We're going to head a little bit to the west here, so it'll be a left turn once we're airborne.
Okie doke, following you.
All right, let's go.
Yep.
How much fun does that look?
Yeah, you can do that.
Right on my left wing, a guy could circle around and come down through there.
Easily.
Yeah, I think that one might be, I like this long, narrow stretch here.
You got some power lines the other end. I don't know how much of a climb out you got there, but it doesn't look like it's insurmountable.
Yeah, a guy could land to the north and taxi back, and
you could even take off to the west there on the width of it. Right behind you.
go to my left.
I'm on your right now.
There's some chunks there.
Boing. I just got 3 for the price of 1 myself.
I came in way too fast. I had a little gray light there. That's kind of tricky. It's kind of fun.
Yeah. So yeah, you got some hills on the other end there. I think coming back out this way and peeling right's probably smart.
Yeah, I think so too. I'm going to just taxi forward. I'll wait till you're down.
I'm down. I'm just right behind you on the right.
I'm going to just roll forward and then roll the power on. I'll stay to this side though, but I'll get on the other side.
Wow, these chunks are rough over here. Don't hit these on your way out. There's some big chunks.
Yeah, right on. Some of these look kind of nasty. I'm going to just go on the other side here and then...
Yeah, this is not good here. Probably be better up in that end and we'll be airborne by the time we're down here.
All right. I'm going to roll the power in and roll.
Let it rip.
No problem. I can tell my fuel load's getting lighter.
I'm up.
All right, let's blast off. We'll head for lunch. We're going to head a little bit to the west here.
Okie doke, following you. I'm at your 4 o'clock, just about the same height.
Gotcha. That hill in front of us there is Kimball Ski Hill.
Yeah, I think we've flown over that on our way up to Zorbas, right?
Yeah, we might have been kind of over that direction at one point, yeah.
Or near it. Okay, let me just sneak up right beside you, stay straight.
Will do.
I'm gonna get in a little closer.
Yeah, make sure you delete a couple of my bouncy landings there. Those are embarrassing.
I'll zoom those in and accentuate them, make the big boing boing noises when I edit. I had one too. If I get the forward camera, you'll see me flying 3 times on that last one.